So in this video, I'll show you how to put a bead on with the Superfloss. The great thing about Superfloss is you can preload a bunch of beads if you'd like, or just a few. When you get to the spot where you're going to place the bead, you're going to move the stitches up on your right needle a little bit so you don't have to worry about those falling off. Then you're going to slide the tip of the Superfloss, just like you would if you were going in to purl the stitch, so tip to tip. And then you're going to take a bead, slide it down the Superfloss to the non-fuzzy area, and then curl the head of the Superfloss around and floss it through the bead. So now you have the bead going through both the Superfloss coming down to the bead and the tip of the Superfloss. And it makes a little double loop. We have a loop around the yarn and a loop with the Superfloss. You just pull down on the bead, and that puts the bead on your yarn. And then you'll lift the yarn back onto your right needle. And it's just tip to tip. Remember, we put the Superfloss in this way, so it's going to come out the same direction you put it in, and that way you know you did not twist your stitch. And then you can go ahead and knit your stitch, and the bead is placed. I'll show that once more. So move my stitches out of the way. I put the stitch on the Superfloss, bend it around, take my next bead, move the bead down onto the Superfloss tip, give it a pull, put the bead back on, and then knit it with the yarn. So follow the pattern to place your beads in the right spot, but that's how you use Superfloss.